Students of class 6, your subject social studies and the lesson the land of hot deserts. We have already started to discuss about the regions, different regions of the world. And here is the land of hot deserts. You follow the lesson? A desert can be both hot and cold. The term desert applies to regions where average annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeters. Here are two different pictures. One is of cold desert region and other is hot desert region. This world map shows the distribution of hot deserts. These deserts lie on the both sides of the equator. Of these, the Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. We notice that most of these deserts are located between 15 and 30 degree north and south of the equator. In the middle, the equator is lying and 30 degree north and 30 degrees south position is shown in the map, and you see the regions of the hot deserts marked red. Desert conditions are also caused due to the continuous deforestation or cutting down of trees, which has turned the land barren. Barren means বন্ধা, কোনো গাছ জন্মায় না, এরকম একটা অবস্থা হয়ে যায় ডিফরেস্টেশন এর জন্য. And many parts along the Great Indian Desert, that is third desert, are turning barren due to deforestation over the years. Saudi Arabia. We will study about this region. This is a typical hot desert region. In Western Asia, Saudi Arabia lies between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf and occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula. Peninsula means surrounded by water in three sides. We know our India, the southern part, is surrounded by water in three sides, that is Indian Peninsula, and here is the Arabian Peninsula, and it is the largest in the world. The peninsula is the largest in the world. Jordan, Israel, Iraq and Kuwait are in the north. Bahrain, Qatar and United Arab Emirates, that is UAR, to the east, while Oman and Yemen are to the south. You look at the map and will find the position of these countries, Arabian countries. It is a barren sandy land. The land slopes from west to west. The western part is mountainous, while the eastern part has plateaus. That is why the landform slopes from west to east. The coastal plain is narrow to the south. The coastal area is too much comfortable, but in the south it is narrow. Water is scarce, very scanty, নেই বললেই চলে. No rivers or lakes are there. There are some dry river beds called wadis. You see the wadis in the picture. In case it rains, this wadi floods quickly, but the water either evaporates due to intense heat, বাষ্প হয়ে যায় জল তাড়াতাড়ি তীব্র গরমের জন্য, or ships underground immediately, শুষে নেয় মাটিতে. At some places in the desert, underground water surfaces form pools of water which is called oasis. Oasis, you know, Moruddan. And some places in the desert, there are some places where there are water surfaces. These are fertile areas and permit the growth of plants. Climate of the region. Generally, hot desert regions have high temperatures throughout the year. No cold season. Temperature reaches 55 degrees Celsius. In our country, we face in the summer season more or less 40 degrees Celsius, and that we cannot tolerate sometimes. But there on, the temperature reaches 55 degrees Celsius. Absence of rain clouds, no rain clouds is seen. Direct sun rays and dryness of air. Days are very hot, nights are very cold. In the daytime, there is the most hot temperature, but when night comes, temperature falls down too much. Coastal areas are more humid and comparatively pleasant. Humid, that is ardro, bheja, and comparatively pleasant, monorom coastal areas. The rainfall in the hot deserts is very low, 25 centimeter a year only. Even no rain for several years sometimes. The sudden showers can cause floods, হঠাৎ বন্যা, but water evaporates quickly. The wind is very strong in the deserts. Winds are hot, dry and dusty. Sandstorms are common. Sandstorms is seen there, and sometimes in the form of whirlwinds called dust devils. Here is the picture of dust devils, you see. Interesting fact. The Atacama Desert in South America, the world's highest desert, is also the driest place, as it has not received any rain for the first 400 years. Why? The Atacama Desert is the most driest place. And now your home assignment you follow. From this first part of the lesson, pick and choose the basic information and write down in your practical exercise book. Collect, or you can draw yourself related pictures, map, etc. Maintain neatness and beauty in all your activity. Thank you. Stay safe.